Hey guys, it's Darren from Gaber Printing. We're coming to you from Staten Island. What does that mean? Yes, another car wash. It's the only reason why I go to Staten Island, but I'm so grateful for them. We're at Jewett Avenue Car Wash, 101 Jewett Avenue, Staten Island. Just did a fresh install. Let's go take a look. Did a whole bunch of windows over here. We got a logo on a wall. Got a couple other pieces over here. Can't forget to pay homage to America. For the crown jewel, we have, let me get the single right. There we go. We have a vinyl banner. We have 4 pieces, step and repeat for a 4-piece layout of the Goethals Bridge. Another piece. We have something different over here. We have a low-tack vinyl wallpaper. We're going to have another piece out here as soon as this fence gets fixed. But we got you covered. Thank you, Terry. I definitely appreciate the honor of doing business with you. We are at Jewett Avenue, 101 Jewett Avenue in wonderful Staten Island. If you need any printing, signage, whatever you need, I got you. My name is Darren. I am from Gaber Printing, GABA printing.com or gabaprinting.nj here on IG. Have a great day.